So we're going to go with the letterbox here in Australia. So if I go open, whoops, I've already opened it. So I'm just going to set it as the background image. This is what our letterboxes look like. Fairly straightforward. I actually don't know what the rest of the world looks like, which is kind of interesting. But obviously I know the UK one looks like a pillar. So what I'm going to do first is set the cursor to center. Let's add a circle. I am going to stick with rotate. Have I got what mode have I got in? Face mode, that won't work. Rotate X 90. And I'm just going to guesstimate this first bit. Delete all these vertices. I will Shift S cursor to selected, and we will choose the 3D cursor to be there. I'm going to extrude. This will just make life a little bit easier a little bit later when we add a bevel. I'm going to get rid of that straight away. So face W, subdivide, and now we can add a face. Okay, beautiful. Select all these, extrude Z, and I'm going to go G, Y, 0.5, oops, 0.5 minus, extrude, 1. Something's happened. Extrude. There we go. 1. And let's just scale that on the Y a little bit thicker. I think it's about that thick. Now, I'm going to put an edge loop straight in there. Delete the faces. Mirror modifier on the Y. Excellent. So first things first, probably that far out looks pretty good. I'm going to delete these 3 faces. So now we've got the whole. What I will do is enable clipping on the mirror modifier. I'm going to press V to rip these vertices apart. I'm going to kind of make that hood. What's going on? That's what's going on. G. Might just rotate that a little bit more. Okay, good. So first things first, I'm going to, whoops, Control Z that. I'm just going to add another edge loop here because I've got to create this like thick bit here. I can't just have that as just one vertice plane. So select these 2, extrude Y. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. No, I'm going to add another edge loop in there just to tidy this bit up because we've got to be a little bit pedantic on this bit because I'm going to be adding a smooth modifier. I'm just going to smooth the faces. And if I don't do that, then we're going to have a rough time. It's just not going to look right. Let's create this face. Good. And I'm going to add another loop there. Extrude Y. Lovely. Okay. Now from here, we will select this. I am going to go extrude that to here. And then we can create a face. No, we can't, can we? Because that doesn't exist. Let us... I'm just going to select that vertex in there. Extrude that one. And now we can create a face. There we go. So I'm just going to leave that open just for now. I'm going to come back and work on this bit. So this is the one of the areas. This is kind of the door. And then this is the thing that comes back around. Okay. Alt M last. Oops, added it to the wrong one. Oh, no, you know what, that's fine. Actually, might work a little bit better. There we go. Okay, now the next bit. That's a face. I think I'm going to add another one in here. We'll bring that out a little bit. So now we go face, face, face. Now I'm just going to add smooth. Doesn't look too bad. What's this bit in here? Alt M last. There we go. That's not too bad. I'll buy that for $1. We will make this the slot. So I'm going to press I. Delete that face there. We'll move this across. Delete the... sorry, let's extrude that face. Delete the face. There we go. Now let's bevel on the angles that are greater than 30 degrees. I will bevel this bit manually though. I'm going to go Control B. I think that looks nice. Control... oh, select that one as well. Control B. Yep. Control B. That bit there was what I was afraid of. Control B. And then that'll cause a whole bunch of dramas. It's not too bad. I'm actually thinking of leaving it at that point. Yeah. I don't like the fact that there's like flat lines there. What would happen if hypothetically I went delete faces? Extrude Z. I think that's fine. There's not going to be too many close-ups. I think it's a little bit wide though. And the other thing is, let's just control, whoops. We'll select that inside face, that face there, Control B them. Yeah, that looks fine. One thing I'm worried about is I've made it a little bit too wide. Excellent. Yeah, I'm happy with that. File, save as. Let's go into where I've saved all my stuff. Wet paint. I don't have an assets folder. Assets. Letterbox. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. When we come back, let's just texture it, and we'll go from there.